So I think we have worked out up to method 3 right now. Please respond me. Yes, Pushkar?
Can you show me the method 2 diagram, please?
Method 2 diagram. Okay. This is method 2 diagram. Yeah, right here.
Okay, thank you, sir.
So, so method 3 is over. Now we'll go for method 4. So let's go for method 4. So method 4 is totally based on the concept of straight line. So first let me write the concept. The concept is we have to express the line of motion of A as seen by B in the form of a straight line. Correct. So that is our first target. So let us see that this was the diagram. So in this direction A was moving with velocity v1 and along this line B was approaching with v2. As the motion is seen from B, so this is the line of motion of A as seen by B that we have checked already in method 1. I hope you remember. So this is point C. So if I drop a perpendicular, this is the perpendicular here. This angle is 90 degree. This is M. This angle is theta. Okay now, up to this it is clear to everyone, right? This is V2. So few of the initial things I will write now only. Tan theta is equal to V2 by V1. This is point O. This we have taken it to be Y. If this is L1, so that is equal to Y by L1. So how much is Y? It is L1 V2 by V1. Right? That I have already seen previously. Okay now? We have already checked this previously. Right. We know now finding the straight line AC. So let me do a little bit of mathematics here. So y is equal to, we know mx plus c, correct? Let us go for the coordinates. What is the coordinate of B? If I take this as the origin, 0, 0. So coordinate of A will be equal to minus L1, 0, and coordinate of B will be 0, minus L2. I hope there is no ambiguity here. చెప్పండి. Everything is clear now, right? Slope ఎంత? Slope is minus tan theta, that is minus of v2 by v1. ठीक है? Why minus tan theta? See guys, this is in clockwise direction. ठीक है ना? Actually I should have taken this angle. This is the actual slope. This is obtuse angle, so that means minus only. Correct? Acha, one more point. Y interception. C is equal to what? C is equal to y intercept. Y intercept is equal to how much? Minus L1 V2 by V1. Bolo, these 2 points are clear. Respond please. Not understood. Which point? Here I am saying this is y-intercept, right now. Y-intercept is this one only, na? Means OC is equal to y-intercept. This is along negative y-axis. So negative y-axis means this is negative. Now put these two values here. So y is equal to m ante minus v2 by v1. X is x only. C means minus L1 v2 by v1. So y is equal to minus v2 by v1, you take common, x plus L1. Anybody has any doubt till now? Go on, rockstars. Cheppura Babu, Vignesh. Clear only? Okay, I forgot that people are good in mathematics in comparison to physics. So this is mathematics now. Okay. So let us rearrange this equation a little bit. We can write v1y plus v2x plus v2l1 is equal to 0. Means v2x plus v1y plus l1v2 is equal to 0. This is the form. Now this straight line is in the form of mx plus ny plus l is equal to 0. Clear? See, come to the diagram. From where you have to find out the perpendicular distance? From point B, right? So what is the coordinate of point B? This is the coordinate of point B, correct? So next we will get slope interception form. I hope you remember. If you don't remember, then also no problem. So now we have to figure out perpendicular distance from a point. What is the point? 0, minus L2 to a line. What is the line? v2x plus v1y plus L1 v2 is equal to 0. Okay, fine everyone. Here is the formula. What is the formula? Perpendicular distance is equal to, this is the line, so m into v2 plus, किधर गए रे भाई, n into v1 plus c, मतलब l, this is basically l, constant I am talking about, by root under of v1 square plus v2 square. Wonderful. Tell me, for the point B, what is the x coordinate? For point B, what is the x coordinate? Under 0 into v2 plus. Point B, what is the y coordinate? Minus L2 plus L1 v2 divided by v1 square plus v2 square. My dear friend, did you get the same answer? Yes, sir. Under of v1 square plus v2 square. If you put a mod, see here, mod of L1 v2 minus L2 v1 is same as mod of L2 v1 minus L1 v2. They will carry the same significance. Correct? So finally, L minimum is equal to mod of L1 v2 minus L2 v1 by root under of v1 square plus v2 square. Now I do not have any other method in my stock. My stock is over. Yes, Mr. Akash. What is the first reason?
In numerator, how you got mod, sir?
In the beginning only, right in the method 1 only, I said you have to put a mod sign because you do not know now which one will be greater.
Okay, sir.
When this question will be given in numerical terms, then greater minus lesser is the answer actually. That's why I put the mod. Okay?
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Most welcome. All of you, if anyone has any doubt, go for it. Yes, Manish.
Sir, then for the method 4, what is your T minimum, sir?
T minimum will be that same
Will be
method.
same, sir.
Like first one.
Okay, sir.
Same. Answer will be same. There is no change in the answer. I
Okay,
don't
sir.
change the answer.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yes. 3 more participants are there. Yes, Mr. Sriram. Mr. Sriram, go ahead, please. Okay.
Sir, once you explain the formula, please.
Which formula?
The perpendicular.
Perpendicular formula, nothing to understand. Mark up.
Okay, sir.
Just mark up.
Okay, sir.
Straight away mark up the straight line formula in the straight manner possible. Sutik sir, Cheppandi.
Sir, we have to remember the L minimum and T minimum values, sir.
That is better. That will be better for your health. Okay. Yeah. Right. This is clear only. Okay. Just give me a fraction of second. Okay, so now we are going to see a very funny problem. Very, very funny problem. Okay, chalo, let's do it. Yeah. So this problem is basically known as dog cat race or chasing of done or chasing of a jet by missile. See what happens here. First, I will describe you the situation. Situation will be very pathetic over here. Okay, you'll see a very pathetic situation that suppose a very innocent cat is running in that direction. Okay. Cats generally look like they are very innocent, but they are not like all of us. Puskar is smiling, so he knows the meaning better. So, this unfortunate cat is running. I don't know whether to save his life or not in this direction with some constant speed v. So, he must be an idiot cat that it is not running faster, maintaining a constant speed. Now, exactly at a d distance away from here or h distance away from here, a dog was initially very peacefully sitting like this. He was watching all this nonsense happening for a quite long time, generally as they used to see. Yes, there is Mr. I don't know much about this, but this is golden retriever, right? This is golden retriever. This is not Labra, obviously. Yeah, golden retriever, I think. Somebody must know this. Yes, Varun?
Yes, sir, it is golden retriever.
Golden retriever only, na? Ah, right. Very
I have
costly. You
Yes,
have
sir.
it? They are very costly actually.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, chalo. So he was watching all this nonsense happening. Cat was first taking position, then he took all this posture and started running. So as seeing this phenomena, now it decided that he is going to stop all the nonsense activities by the cat. So it just started chasing down the cat in this direction with speed u. Now when it is chasing the cat, each time it is given when the dog is chasing the cat, its velocity is always directed towards the instantaneous position of the cat. It means when the cat is here, its velocity was in this direction, right? When the cat is in some other position, suppose in this position, velocity of the dog is like this. Then when the cat is in the third position, velocity of the dog is like this. Shrutik sir, are you understanding? I hope you are understanding. If you have any previous experience of such circumstances like this, when a street dog used to chase you, anyway. Yeah, so you can recollect. If anybody has any previous experience, you can recollect your previous knowledge or understanding. That will keep you in a better shape to understand this problem. So in that case, you will see that basically dog is moving along this line, and finally here the game is over. Here it is chased down. Okay, is it clear to everyone how this thing is happening apart from the jokes? Right? Okay, right. So now I will technically take the diagram. Yes, Shashivardhan?
Sir, it is changing in a line or parabolic way.
I mean that will decide later. Do you have any previous experience?
So many times, sir.
So many times. So that's why you can understand the path better. Yes, I got it. Anyway, so next let us move to the technical details now. Now I'm taking the diagram which will make a better understanding. Yeah, right. So here this problem is given a different situation altogether. That means that here the situation is given for a submarine and a torpedo. Torpedo is basically nothing but a submarine launched missile. I do not want to confuse you. So let's blacken it. Blacken this factor also. So now everything is same. This is V, this is U. So I've taken this factor as U, right? This is the initial separation. So this is the direction in which the cat is running, and this is the path. This is the path traced out by the dog. Okay, and this is instantaneous being shown. Okay. If anybody is still having the problem to understand how this thing is happening, now I don't have any other picture to make you understand. Okay, I will take this one too. I think this will give a clear indication. Yes, that's it. That's it. Yeah, you see, exactly this thing happens. Check the trail of the smoke of the missile. This is the trail, right? So this trail of the smoke of the missile is basically suggesting initially the aircraft was moving in that direction, then it took a turn here, then it took a hard turn over here, then finally it is moving like this. So each time the missile's velocity is always along this, right? Is that clear now? So it is always pointing, correct? And eventually when you are chased down by a street dog, the speed of the street dog looks like the missile only. They run so fast. So now I'm writing here. All of you see now. Now serious discussion. So here it is being chased down. Chased down. Right. Let us take this as X or X naught. I'm writing the first concept over here. Concept 1. Concept 1. What is the concept 1? Concept 1 is if the dog has to chase down the cat, then horizontal distance traveled by both has to be equal. Is that okay? If it has to chase down, then clear-cut diagram is there. If it is chased down here, then this is the horizontal distance traveled by the cat. This is the horizontal distance traveled by the cat. So as the horizontal distance traveled by the dog. So if the dog has to chase down the cat, horizontal distance traveled must be equal to same. Is that okay now? This concept is okay now? Right. So now let us first apply this concept to 1. So let us first see the application. Okay. So I'm writing x cat is equal to speed of the cat into time t. This is my equation number 1. Is this okay? Right? Acha. Now for the dog there is a problem. What is the problem? You see initially its velocity is in that direction, that is u, and you take this angle to be phi. After some time this angle becomes theta. So this angle is frequently changing, correct? So I cannot directly write. Then for the dog you have to write in this way. Dx is equal to, see here, what is the x component of the velocity at this instant? That is u cos theta, right? No, so I have to write u cos theta into dt. This point is clear? Respond me please. This is clear, no? So I can write x dog is equal to integration of u cos theta dt 0 to capital T. This is equation number 2. Tell me, this is clear or not? These two lines are okay? Okay, na? Fine. All right. So now I will go for concept 2. Now I am going for concept 2. See what is the concept? Concept is to take here. Look at the diagram, all of you. Come. Suppose this is the instantaneous line of chasing. So I am taking this line as what I am taking? This line I am saying this is instantaneous line of chasing, right? Why I am saying instantaneous? Because this line can change, no? In this situation, this is the line of chasing. This line will keep on changing. So at an instant, this is the line. So that is why I am writing instantaneous line of chasing. Achha, if this angle is theta, all of you tell me this is also theta. Correct? No? Fine. So the cat is already running in the horizontal direction with speed v. Dog is running in this direction with speed u. Correct? What is the component of the cat's velocity along this line? It will be simply v cos theta. Is this point clear or not? You tell me that. This point is clear or not? Right now. Achha, now you tell me. Along this instantaneous line of chasing, I will note down this point here. So this is instantaneous line of chasing. कुत्ता इधर भाग रहा है, कुत्ते का वेलोसिटी कितना है u. Cat is chasing here with speed v cos theta. Now, if the dog has to chase the cat, which velocity should be greater along the line of chasing? Yes, कुत्ते का velocity ज़्यादा होना चाहिए. So now the concept is along the instantaneous line of chasing, speed of the dog must be greater than the speed of the cat. This is the concept. So along the instantaneous line of chasing, the speed of the dog has to be greater than the speed of the cat. This is the most significant concept here. Okay, na? Fine. So next, now application part. So along the instantaneous line of chasing, what is V relative is U minus V cos theta. Correct? Along the instantaneous line of chasing, V relative is equal to U minus V cos theta. That's okay only? Right. So I am writing minus dl is equal to V relative into dt. Now here is again concept. What is dl? dl is the relative separation between the two friends. Why this negative sign is coming? Because relative separation is decreasing. How? Go back to the diagram. How much initial it is? H. What is the final separation here? 0. Correct here only, na? So here is the separation. Separation is equal to 0. Right? So I am again repeating that dl is the relative separation between the cat and the dog, and negative sign is coming because relative separation is decreasing. Okay? So minus integration of dl is equal to u minus v cos theta into dt integration 0 to t h to 0. Is this clear, my dear friends? Please respond. Everybody is sleeping only. Vignesh? Oh my God, he's in deep sleep. Sometime. Oh, I see his eyes. Temperature? Fever. Yeah, take care. Quickly take one paracetamol and run for half kilometer. See that your is there any suffocation is not there now? Government is launching 1,000 rupees corona test kit. I have a very simple solution to test whether you have corona or not. Just run half a kilometer. If you feel extreme suffocation, quickly go for the test. Okay, chalo. Nothing will happen. Don't worry. Huh? Okay, stay normal. A little bit of temperature will be rise further because physics is going on. Had it been chemistry or anything else, temperature would have become normal. But it's okay, no problem. So integration of minus dl h to 0 will make it capital H because upper limit minus lower limit. So minus of minus here is in Hyderabad it is plus. So H is equal to U into integration of 0 to t dt minus V integration 0 to t cos theta dt. Wonderful. No problem. So capital H is equal to U into capital T minus V integration 0 to t cos theta dt. Right? Is it okay? Now see, my dear friends, I have already made some arrangement. Here is my arrangement. This is Okati arrangement. This is Rondo arrangement. Okay. So now I will write. This is equation number 3. Wonderful. Here in the side I'm calculating from 1 and 2. From 1 and 2 I can write u into t is equal to v integration 0 to t cos theta dt. అంటే integration 0 to t cos theta dt is equal to u into t by v. Right? The moment you got this value, immediately substitute. So how much will you have? You will have capital H is equal to ut minus v into wait. That you people are not telling me. This is v, this is u. See here. No, this is u and this one is v. Okay. So it is Vt. Vt is equal to u into this. One more correction is there. Yeah. Okay. So this is Vt by u. So v into Vt by u, and it becomes u square minus v square into t divided by u. Then that gives t is equal to u into h divided by u square minus v square. This is the final result. So this is the time after which the dog will be able to chase the cat. But you will be confused between u and v. Remember, whichever runs faster will come here. So that means time to chase down is equal to v of dog into h by v of dog square minus v of cat square. That is the equation to be remembered. Anybody having any doubt, any confusion, there is any problem with the clarity, or if anyone is having any situation in which the previous realistic experience is not matching with this, feel free to express your concern. Likita, I know last time you ran and went to somebody's home, so the dog could not have proper sufficient time to chase it down. So I'm not talking about those rare cases where you did not allow the innocent creature to hunt you down. Those who have proper experience, proper legitimate experience, that you have almost run half a mile, then out of necessity you had to find a piece of large stone to thwart your enemy. Actually, it happens to me also. Just below my flat, there are almost 5 to 6 highly trained commandos. So whenever I'm coming out of my office at night, I have to think twice before stepping out of my car. So first I have to convince them, yes, I am the same person who used to come here. Then the commandos will safely allow me to come out of the car. But problem with those commandos is that if any outside enemy gives them 2 packets of biscuits, then they can be loyal to anybody. That is a major problem. Okay, is that clear now? You got it, right? So there are two things which are very, very important. That is this concept number 1 that we have studied. So anything related to such kind of questions will be totally based on these two concepts. So if you remember these two concepts, any modification done to these questions, there will be no problem whatsoever. So I'm just keeping it from the beginning. All of you, I request every one of you, I know you will understand it, it's not much difficult, but just go through the calculation once. If possible, make a quick rough now only. Okay, just roughly draw the diagram and quickly go through the calculation, nothing else. Rahul, don't sit. Go through the calculation once. Just make a rough. Quickly make a rough. Okay, I hope everybody is done. I'll just put a little bit down here too. Yeah. See, now I'm giving you one question, which is totally based on this. So please try this one. This is what working this on. So please, all of you try. So all of you see, you will not get much headache while solving this one, because already for part B and D we have done, right? We have done for part B and D, correct? So what we have to just imagine about the part A. Part A is really interesting actually. Uh, this is really same. So part B and D is also done for us. So you have to just do part A and C. So you try, you try. I just need you for 2-3 minutes. Chalo, I will tell you this part A. Next time you all what happened? Just wait for some time. I'm having some trouble with my OneNote software. Can you hear me now? Right. Okay. Just hold on for a second. So this page is crashing. I do not know what is the reason behind it. My OneNote is crashing often. Okay, so I will just quickly finish up. I will not spend much time. So that is that this first part is important actually. That is find the acceleration of the cat. So I will just draw two diagram. This is the direction rat is moving. Try to imagine. Right? And this is the point which is L distance below. So when the rat has reached here, I can take this angle as delta theta. Correct? Very small angle I am taking, delta theta. Right? So this distance, this is moving with u. So in time delta t, this is u delta t. Correct? So we can write delta theta arc by radius, that is u delta t divided by L. Okay. I hope this is fine to everyone. Correct only? Right? Okay. So next another diagram we'll have. Check. Quickly I will do. This is the same angle delta theta. At the initial, right in the beginning, this is the velocity of the cat, and after this instant, this is the velocity of the cat v. So what is this? This will be v delta theta. Right, Nona? Clear? So I can write delta v is equal to v delta theta. So acceleration is equal to delta v by delta t. So delta v is v delta theta divided by, what is delta t from here? It is coming to be delta theta into L by u. So this cancels. It's a beautiful problem. A is equal to uv by L. It's a wonderful question. So this is the acceleration at t is equal to 0. So acceleration at t equal to 0. Quickly note it down. Okay, right? Understood? Yeah, no. Yogananda, tomorrow we will discuss. Sir is already waiting, huh? Okay. Right. Chalo. Bye everyone. See you tomorrow. Bye bye. Bye.